Всім привіт! Їду на роботу і не в таксі. Це, мабуть, могла б збутися мрія моїх батьків і багатьох підписників, що нарешті знайшов нормальну роботу і більше не будеш таксувати. Але ні, мабуть. Таксі я нікуди покидати не збираюся, тому що мені дуже подобається ця робота, подобається ця сфера. Але таксі це не єдиний мій, скажімо так, моє джерело доходу, тому що я періодично займаюся іншими справами, іншою роботою і намагаюся завжди побудувати різні джерела доходу, щоб він не був один. Тому от зараз приблизно десь, я думаю, на тижня 2-3 я буду займатися трішки іншою справою, не буду таксувати, можливо, попробую вийти в вихідний, якийсь в неділю чи в суботу, там один день попрацювати, зняти для вас відео, щоб не збивати графік виходу відео на каналі. Але працювати так повноцінно кожного дня в таксі я поки не буду. Чим я буду займатися, що я буду робити, я, мабуть, зроблю такими нарізками, тому що буду працювати не один день і займатися не однією роботою, а там різними трішки типами. Тому я думаю, зроблю вам нарізку, чим я займаюся, що я роблю, і далі в відео вставлю це вже. Знімати буду не один день, тому відео вийде. Знімаю я його сьогодні, у нас яке число? 18 липня, а вийде, я думаю, він через тижня-два.
It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day again. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as
think about others way before myself, yeah. I guess that's why I feel like I go through hell, damn. Wasting time on your dreams instead of mine, yeah. About to turn this franchise around on a dime, man. It's all about finding your right state of mind. It's all about turning the worst into fine. It's all about time and the work and the climb. From the thirst we will rise, I'm immersed in this life. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first.
Myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours.